Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful fruit and vegetable oil that you can use for your hair and skin. This is a great combination of fruit and vegetable that has a lot of health benefits and nutrients. So stay tuned and find out how I make this oil. To make this oil, I'll be making use of carrots, which I've already peeled the skin, pan dry. So I'm going to grate the carrots into smaller pieces. Done grating the carrots, I'll spray the grated carrots on a tray and allow to dry. After about 3 days, the grated carrot has dried. I will set aside. I'll be making use of dried mango. So I'm going to cut the dried mango into smaller pieces before blending it or crushing it. When I'm done cutting it, I'm going to add the dried mango into a blender. Then I'm going to crush it into smaller pieces. For this oil, you can also make use of fresh mango, but I want to use dry mango because I want this oil to last for a long time. When I'm done crushing the mango, I'm going to add the crushed mango into a clean container. The reason why I crushed the mango is because I want the oil to infuse properly so that I can get all the nutrients from the mango. When I'm done adding the mango, I'm going to add the dried carrots. Then I will stir to mix properly. I'm going to add oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice, but I'm going to use grapeseed oil. Make sure that you add enough oil to cover the dried carrots and mango. When I'm done adding the oil, I will cover the jar and give it a good shake. Then you can keep this to infuse. Or another faster way is to add water into a pot. Then I will make use of the double boiler method to extract all the nutrients into the oil. This double boiler method will help this oil to infuse faster. If you don't have time to allow the oil to infuse for weeks, you can make use of this method. When I'm done, I'm going to allow it to still infuse. But if you want to use it, you can now strain and use your oil. After about 1 week of infusing the carrot and mango, I'm going to strain to get the oil. With a sieve, I will strain to get the oil. You can see how colorful this oil is, and this oil is going to last for a long time because I use dried mango and carrot for this oil, and this oil has a lot of health benefits that you can enjoy. Your skin will enjoy all the benefits from the carrot and mango. Oil contains some important nutrients like beta carotene, vitamin A, C and E. and some other important nutrients. It will help to boost your dull skin, make your skin to glow. It will promote collagen production and also brighten your skin. So you can use this oil for your hair, for your skin. So I'm going to store this in a container. As for the leftover from the mango and carrot, if you want to reuse it, you can simply add oil and allow it to infuse for more days. I hope you can see how easy it is to make your infused mango and carrot oil. And I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.